Hey there, welcome to lesson 3. In the last lesson I created some basic rhythms which I hope you had a lot of fun with, but today we're going to cover some drum fills. Now I've written some PDF files for you, but I'm not able to write everything out for you, so I want you to sort of pay close attention to what I'm actually doing today. So we played some basic rhythms like some of those basic rhythms, but now what I want you to do is to play 4 bars, but on the 4th bar, halfway through the bar, I want you to play a drum fill, a very, very simple drum fill. Let me just show you what I mean. The fill we're going to play is going to be, which is a single stroke. So we're going to go 1, simple enough, isn't it? Now you can vary that, you can break up those semiquavers if you like. Instead of going, we can play so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. So all it really is single strokes. So you're going to go, or simple really, isn't it? Now obviously you want to be able to learn single strokes. Single strokes are really important, but one rudiment I really want to cover today is the flam. It's called the flam. Now this is where one stick comes down directly before the other, which comes down. You must have heard that a million times. Sounds really good. Now this is great for drum fills. So say for example we're going to use the same rhythm . and so forth. You can have a lot of fun with that. So it comes down the right first, but of course you can do it the other way around, where the left one comes down first, but the one you're going to use, if you're right-handed that is, the one you're going to use all the time is the where the right hand comes down and the left hand comes down just directly after it. It kind of thickens the note. They call it a grace note. But I mean, you can have so much fun with this because you can go. So that's basically what I'm going to leave you with today. The other thing is, there's another rhythm I want to actually show you, is the 16th notes off the hi-hat. So if you remember, we did 16th notes last time, which was 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to play that on the hi-hat, but we're going to come off on the second beat of the bar. we're going to play the offbeat and on the fourth beat. So you're going to play 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 4th beat. You can switch it over to the tom-tom if you want to. Now you can start to put the bass drum with it. Now I would really recommend you play either 1st and 3rd or the whole 4th thing. So we're going to play the 1st and 3rd first. Sorry. And then you can play the 4th bar. So there you go. Now you can play that obviously faster. That's just where you can start to have some real fun. So once you get the basic rhythm, then you can start to go around the kit. Say, you can play 1, 2, 2 and 1, 2 and 1 again, 2 and 1 again, 2 and 1 again. And so forth. Okay, well, that's something to get on with. I'm not going to write all this stuff out for you. It's too time consuming. I'd rather spend time actually producing the lessons than I would, you know, writing it out in notation form. There's so many books you can get on Amazon which will cover all this stuff. In fact, I might look out some books. I think there's one book that I really recommend, which is the Buddy Rich book. It's got all your rudiments in there. And you can start to use these rudiments and you can start to have some real fun. Okay, well that's all I'm going to do for today. I really hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you did, then please click the like button and subscribe, because there's going to be lots and lots more, and there's not going to be any money to pay at any time. This is purely free forever. So if you've got any comments or questions, just put it in the description. What am I talking about? If you've got any comments or questions, then please comment below, or if you want, want any help, then I'll be happy to do that. Okay, thanks for listening. Have a really good day.